皆さん、こんにちは。みーさチャンネル、資格ハンター編です。最新の英語ニュースを読み上げますので、英語の試験勉強やスキルアップにご活用ください。
Leaders from US, Australia, Japan, India to meet Friday in Washington. September 24th, 2021, 7:11 a.m. VOA News. Japan's Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga speaks during the virtual summit of the leaders of Australia, India, Japan, and the US, a group known as the Quad, at his official residence in Tokyo, Japan, March 12, 2021. Leaders of the United States, Japan, Australia, and India are to meet in person Friday in Washington to discuss cooperation in the Indo-Pacific in the face of China's growing power in the region. Leaders of the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, or the Quad, U.S. President Joe Biden, Prime Minister Scott Morrison of Australia, Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India, and Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga of Japan met virtually in March, but Friday marks their first face-to-face summit. The Quad leaders will be focused on deepening our ties and advancing practical cooperation on areas such as combating COVID-19, addressing the climate crisis, partnering on emerging technologies and cyberspace, and promoting a free and open Indo-Pacific, White House spokesman Jen Psaki said in a statement. China has been steadily building military outposts in the region and using them to back claims it controls vital sea lanes. The Washington meeting comes in the wake of a recently announced agreement among the US, Britain, and Australia to supply Australia with nuclear submarines. The deal angered France by undercutting a deal it had with Australia to supply it with diesel submarines. France recalled its ambassadors from both the US and Australia in protest. China condemned the deal, calling it damaging to regional peace. The Quad meeting also comes amid stronger talk by the US and its allies in support of Taiwan, which China views as a rogue province, and a renewed effort by the European Union to enhance its naval presence in the region.
以上で、今回のみーさチャンネルは終了です。最後までご視聴いただきまして、ありがとうございました。よろしければ、高評価とチャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。